How to make posts on a Twitter account. On Twitter, you can explore topics you're interested in by clicking Explore in the top left corner. For example, if I type affiliate marketing, I can see related information. You can follow accounts, see the latest news, save tweets, like them, and repost, retweet, which means sharing them on your account. If someone messages you, you can see it in your Messages tab, or you can start a new conversation yourself. To set up your profile, go to Settings and Privacy. Here, you can personalize your account and control who can see your shared information, who can message you, and who can see your posts. To make a post, tap Post and write your description. Use hashtags by typing Bachir followed by a relevant word. Hashtags help your posts appear when someone searches for related topics. For example, Google, News, Marketing. Twitter will also suggest relevant alternatives. You can set who can reply to your post. Everyone accounts you follow verified accounts. Only accounts you mention. You can also attach media such as images, short videos, GIFs, polls, and emojis. Additionally, you can add a location, schedule the post for a specific time and date, or post it instantly by clicking Post.